And now I am joined by Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sarah Knox. Sarah, we had some rain happening earlier today, and will it be continuing? What are we looking forward to?
Yeah, so we do have more rain in the forecast, Sananda, as we come into the evening. Of course, we're not going to be getting to see any rainbows late tonight, but maybe tomorrow morning we may have a chance again. Sadly, looks like Albert Lee's camera. Let's try something. There we go. Look at that. I loaded it right back up. All right, now we can see a couple of our live eyes across the area. What I wanted to show off here is the fact that most of us are a little wet right now. And I say a little bit because we haven't seen a ton of rain over the course of the day, but we've seen enough to at least get the roadways wet, give the grass a little sprinkle here or there, but it's not necessarily coming down everywhere. At least not yet. Right now I've got my eye on this line right here, not necessarily of any severity when it comes to this, not even some flashes of lightning, but what we're going to be watching for coming into the night tonight, overnight, and into tomorrow morning is the possibility for some soaking rain, some much needed soaking rain at that. So keeping an eye particularly on some of these yellow oranges areas just a little north of Mankato, a little south as well, kind of heading a bit to the northeast. That's something to watch too, because where the heaviest of the rain is looking to fall, well, as I zoom things out, we can see this low pressure system as it slowly spins to the southeast. It's actually planning to bring quite a bit of rainfall just to the north of our area. That being said, we will still benefit from this, and Sky Tracker 3 shows us the timing of when we can expect maybe some of the heavier pockets to head our way. So I did a little couple hours here as we've gone into the evening. This is around midnight tonight, finally starting to cross into our area, hitting places along 35 and just a bit to the east, like Austin and Mason City, getting a little rain there. Push time forward even more, a couple more hours. By 2 a.m., we could see a little bit of resurgence when it comes to picking up a bit more of the energy. And we could see some heavier pockets of rainfall, maybe hear a rumble of thunder or a flash of lightning. It's not going to be as exciting as we head later into Monday morning. This is around 5 a.m., but there still will be some pockets of heavy rain to be found as we're starting to get ready for our morning commute. The center of the low pressure system is going to be almost right on top of Albert Lee, which gives us a brief moment as we head later into Monday morning. Here we are around 10 a.m. Fast forward to 10 a.m. There we go, now into the lunching hour, and we still see chances for rain. They just become a little less. Basically, what it all means for us is that chances for rain will be lasting through the majority of our Monday, but we're not talking any super heavy, strong storms. Is there still a possibility? Absolutely, but it's looking to be more of that soaking, prolonged rain. And you can see our temperatures as well coming through our Monday. Not going to get very high. Talking about that precipitation potential, I did mention that just north of the area we're going to be seeing, it's kind of behind the banner here, but some of the deeper red colors there, even some oranges, which is pointing closer to that 3 to 4 inch range. For us, it's not looking to be as soaking, but still, it'll be nice to see some rainfall anywhere between about a ½ an inch to an inch for a lot of us. Current temperatures right now, it's also going to be a talking point coming into tomorrow. Although temperatures are fairly comparable to where they were this time just last night, check out Monday. Alongside that chance for some scattered rain, maybe a flash of lightning. By 1 p.m., 61 degrees. That's not very warm, my friends, but just give it some time, because here on the 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view, Sananda, there are 90s on that board as well as 60s. It's going to be quite the swing.
Now, I like that term you said, soaking rain. Maybe you want to get some Epsom salt and enjoy this soaking rain.
I was going to say, if you want a bath of the rainwater, it's probably going to be a little cold.
Okay. All right, and dirty maybe.
And dirty, just a little bit.
Thank you, Sarah, so much.